Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Tesla Model X. Getting started is surprisingly simple. Your Model X uses keyless entry, so just approach with your phone key or key fob, and the driver's door will open automatically. Once inside, the large 17-inch touchscreen is your command center. To begin, simply press the brake pedal, and you are ready to select your gear. Once you are seated, you will find most controls integrated into the steering wheel and touchscreen. Adjust your mirrors and steering wheel with the intuitive electronic controls. A key feature is regenerative braking. Lifting your foot from the accelerator slows the car and recharges the battery, making for a smooth, one-pedal driving experience in many situations. It is a very efficient way to drive. The Model X offers advanced features to enhance your drive. Autopilot can assist with steering, accelerating, and braking within its lane on the highway, making long journeys more relaxed. The vehicle is equipped with 12 ultrasonic sensors and 8 cameras, providing a 360-degree view for enhanced awareness. These systems work together to provide a high level of safety and driver assistance. When it is time to charge, the charging port is conveniently located on the left rear side. You have several options, including home charging, destination chargers, and Tesla's supercharger network. For parking, the Model X can even assist you with automatic parking. Once parked, simply exit the vehicle, and it will automatically lock itself, ensuring your car is secure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.